In the quest for improved eye health, many people turn to various foods and supplements. While a balanced diet rich in nutrients is essential, one food that often stands out is the humble onion, particularly when consumed raw. This article explores the potential benefits of eating raw onions for eye health, backed by scientific evidence. Nutritional composition of onions. Onions are not just a flavorful addition to meals, they are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, and potassium. However, what sets onions apart are their high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like quercetin. These compounds play a significant role in combating oxidative stress, which is crucial for maintaining overall health, including eye health. Oxidative stress and eye health. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. This condition can lead to cellular damage, which is particularly concerning for the delicate structures of the eyes. Research has shown that oxidative stress is a leading cause of age-related eye diseases, including cataracts and age-related macular degeneration (AMD). By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, like raw onions, individuals can help mitigate these harmful effects. Quercetin and eye protection. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found in high concentrations in onions, has been extensively studied for its protective effects on eye health. A study published in the journal Molecular Vision highlights how quercetin can protect retinal cells from oxidative damage. The research suggests that quercetin may help reduce the risk of retinal degeneration, a common cause of vision loss. By incorporating raw onions into your diet, you can boost your intake of this vital compound. Vitamin C's role in eye health. Another crucial nutrient found in raw onions is vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes and can help prevent cataracts. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that individuals with higher vitamin C intake had a lower risk of developing cataracts. Including raw onions in your diet can contribute to your daily vitamin C intake, supporting overall eye health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various eye conditions, including AMD and diabetic retinopathy. Onions possess anti-inflammatory properties due to their rich flavonoid content. According to a study in the Journal of Nutrition, the anti-inflammatory effects of quercetin can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including those affecting the eyes. By consuming raw onions regularly, you may benefit from their ability to combat inflammation, promoting better eye health. Conclusion: while raw onions may not be a miracle cure for vision problems, their impressive nutritional profile and antioxidant properties make them a valuable addition to a diet focused on eye health. By providing essential nutrients like quercetin and vitamin C, raw onions can help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of age-related eye diseases. Incorporating raw onions into salads, sandwiches, or salsas can be a delicious and effective way to support your vision. As always, maintaining a balanced diet and consulting with healthcare professionals for personalized advice is crucial for optimal eye health.